In this guide, I'm going to show you how to change text color in Snapchat. Intro. First, open up Snapchat and you need to take a photo or video. We're just going to take a photo real quick, but on the editing screen, you need to go ahead and select the little text icon up in the top right corner and type whatever text it is that you want to add. Let's just go ahead and say text, and we'll put it in this format right here. Now, to actually go ahead and change the color, go ahead and tap on the little editing options right next to it. And then of course you can go through and change the color just like so. And you could select specific stuff to change it and make it look however you want. The process is really that simple. Obviously, per different text option you add in, it might be a little bit different, but it all comes down to that. Before you leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. If at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, once again, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.